Yes, dear students, today I want to discuss with you one more concept. I want to start new concept in this chapter that is about, already told with you, that is about electromagnetic induction. What do you mean by electromagnetic induction? Still now in this chapter, just we learn only one thing. What is that? Magnetic induction. Electromagnetic. Still now, just we are going with the only one basic concept, that is whenever it means from Eirsted experiment, the current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field. Current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field. If you kept magnetic field near current carrying conductor, the magnetic field, compass needle shows deflection. From that we can concluded from Eirsted experiment, the current produces a magnetic field. But should the reverse be not true? Till now we are not discussing the magnetic field also produces current. No, it is not true. Still now whatever the we are going, whatever the we are completed. So one of the scientists is there in physics. Just he began to work on that. So why it was not applicable? The magnetic field produces a current. So he performed many experiments from that time, from 6 years onwards he was working only on that. So but at a particular time, it means in 1825, so he experimented with the magnets and coils means number of turns with the magnet. So for example, if it is a magnet, it is a magnet means, so the number of turns it will be like this, right? It's like a solenoid. So he's experimented with the magnets and coils of wire unit in one day. In a particular day, he threw that the magnet down into the coil, and he observed that a momentary current was produced in this coil. So this was made this very important discovery on 17th October 1831 after 6 years of hard labor. So from that, just he concluded the magnet also produces a momentary change in electric current. So how it was performed, just we are going to discuss in this concept. See, just I want to write here just introduction, electromagnetic induction introduction. So we know from Oersted's experiment that a current produces a magnetic field. Current produces a magnetic field. Should the reverse be not true? Not true. It means and a magnet it means not true means what is that means? A magnet be produce, or magnet be used to produce current. So this only the Michael Faraday was discovered, right? So Michael Faraday, one of the scientists is there. His name is Michael Faraday. Began to work on this problem and he experimented with magnets and coils of wire. So one day at particular and one day he concluded or he observed from experiment, or he was observed from his experiment. He was observed from his experiment a momentary a momentary current is a momentary current is or was it is past tense, no, momentary current was produced in the coil of magnets. So thus was made a very important discovery. Thus was made very important discovery. Very important discovery on 17th October 1837 after 6 years of work. 6 years of the hard work. So how these magnet was produces current? How the magnet? So due to magnet, the momentary change in current. So what he was experiment? So what was the conclusions from Faraday's experiment? Just how we are going to discuss in next class.